now. The man Fowly is in question. Can I see the phone, please?
Oh, officer. The eye don't have any fall here now. Hold it.
Yes,
Hold it. Hold it close up to your eye now.
Wow!
Alright, give me it now. You want to go on now. Sit down. You have money. And the mission of Jah send me on earth to go and do. And is to teaching children and take care of children them. You know what? You have to boy. Officer, this guy's a poker. This guy's a poker. Officer, you listen to the man.
Auntie, the school no man. If you want the pan speaker and Robert the right, I say stop cut off foolishness, man. Now you make a man come on me yard.
But wait. Me fall, mister. Can't tell me say the eye fall, mister.
I told my right forward, my friend.
Maggy Films.
Maggy.